The brand sent me this 5-in-1 fire spray for the house, kitchen, or any small space, so let's unbox it and test it out together. I love the packaging it comes in. It arrived in the mail secure and with no issues. It also has the instructions right on the box itself. Look how clean that looks. It's definitely got some weight to it. This spray comes with a pressure gauge. This allows you to check if the pressure is in normal range, expiration, and to make sure that it's in optimal condition in the event that you might need to use it. So a really good safety measure. It's supposed to put out fires within seconds. You simply keep it 3 feet or 1 meter away from the fire and spray. Of course, given the size, it is meant for small spaces. I like that it's more narrow than other fire sprays. It means I can keep it anywhere, really, without it taking up so much space at all. And importantly, it is non-toxic, which is so important in this day and age. A simple wipe should clean it off. Now let's test this out with no fire, thankfully, and see how it operates and what to expect. The first thing you'll need to do is pull the pin. You'll notice a clip fell, which is supposed to happen. Aim toward the base of the fire, squeeze the lever, and sweep side to side. You can see how powerful the spray is. Here's another angle so you can really see it. Once you're done using it, you can see the pressure nozzle gives you a real-time update on how much is left inside. This is what the aftermath looks like. It is a liquidy texture, which makes cleaning easy. You can tell how easily it wipes off when I use regular paper towels. And really, that's how easy it is to use this fire spray.